Most importers only see Alibaba.com, but the real goldmine is Alibaba 1688. It's the domestic Chinese platform where factories sell directly. There are three main supplier types here, and type 3 factories are the ones you really want to find. We've helped clients save 30 to 40% by sourcing through 1688 instead of the international site. Type 3 factories are large-scale OEM manufacturers. They're the factories that actually make products for big brands. Think of them as the source behind the source. They typically have 200+ employees and produce for multiple clients. Last month, we visited a Type 3 factory in Guangdong that produces for 3 European furniture brands. The advantages are clear. Type 3 factories offer prices 20 to 35% lower than trading companies. Their quality control is better because they control the entire manufacturing process. We've seen defect rates drop from 8% to under 2% when clients switch to Type 3 factories. They invest in better equipment and have stricter quality standards. There's a trade-off. Type 3 factories have higher minimum orders, usually 500 to 5,000 units depending on the product. But the unit pricing is much better. For example, a client ordering 1,000 units paid $8.50 each instead of $12.50 from a trading company. That's $4,000 saved on just one order. Identifying Type 3 factories takes some work. Look for OEM or ODM certifications on their profiles. Check if they list factory size and employee count. Real Type 3 factories show production capacity, not just product photos. We verify this by checking business licenses and visiting factories in person. Here's the challenge: most Type 3 factory staff only speak Chinese. Their websites are in Chinese, their contracts are in Chinese. We've seen clients lose deals because of translation errors. One client almost signed a contract with wrong payment terms due to poor translation. You need local help to communicate effectively. Quality control is non-negotiable. Even with Type 3 factories, you need to verify quality before shipping. We conduct pre-production inspections, during production checks, and final random sampling. Last quarter, we caught a 15% defect rate in a shipment before it left the factory. That saved our clients $7,500 in returns. Negotiation works differently with Type 3 factories. They respond to volume, not just price haggling. Offer to increase order quantities for better pricing. We helped a client get 22% lower pricing by committing to quarterly orders instead of one-time purchases. Payment terms are also negotiable, 30% deposit is standard. Type 3 factories are ideal for established businesses with consistent demand. If you're selling 100+ units monthly, you should consider them. Startups might struggle with the MOQs. We recommend Type 3 factories for products you've already validated in the market and plan to sell long-term. Avoid these common mistakes. Never pay 100% upfront. Always get samples first. Verify the factory actually exists. We found 30% of factories on 1688 are actually trading companies. Check their export history. And never skip the quality inspection. One client learned this the hard way with a $12,000 defective shipment.